will help you. May I have your full name, please?
Okay, my name is Dina Monica.
Okay, Miss Dina, and how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Have you been admitted to this hospital before?
No, this is my first time.
Alright, do you have any allergies to food or medication?
No, I have no any allergy.
Are you currently taking any medication?
No, I don't have any medication.
Okay, thank you for the information. I will take your temperature first. Please take a seat and try to relax. Okay, your temperature is 39 Celsius. Yes.
Okay, thank you.